Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to crop an image online using Canva, step by step in just a few minutes. Whether you're brand new to Canva or you've been designing for a while, cropping is one of those essential skills that can completely change the way your projects look. From social media posts to professional presentations, mastering this simple tool will make your designs cleaner and more eye-catching. Let's get started. First, open your Canva design. If you haven't already uploaded the image you want to crop, just click on Uploads from the left sidebar and drag in your image or select Upload Files. Once your image is in, drag it onto your canvas. Now, click directly on the image. As soon as you do, you'll notice a toolbar appearing above your workspace. This is Canva's main editing area. Look for the crop icon, which looks like two overlapping right angles or a small cut corner square. Click it. Once you click the crop tool, your image will display adjustable borders. These are your crop handles. Simply drag the corners or edges to choose the area you want to keep. Everything outside the box will be trimmed away. But here's something new in Canva 2025, the Smart Crop option. When you click Smart Crop, Canva uses intelligent detection to automatically focus on the most important part of your image, like a person, product, or subject. This feature is super handy when you're short on time or working with multiple images. Of course, you can still fine-tune it manually. Just click and drag the crop box until your image looks exactly how you want it. Remember, cropping isn't only about resizing, it's about framing your subject to improve balance, focus, and visual impact. Try to position your subject using the rule of thirds or leave some breathing space around the edges for a professional look. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Done. And that's it. Your image is now perfectly cropped and ready to use in your Canva design. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to crop an image online using Canva quickly and precisely. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be adjusting images like a pro without even thinking about it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Canva and design tips, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover more Canva tools in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.